Hey, I got a lot of things going on this morning. I got the TV going on with the news. I just made a nice cappuccino. I got work going on over here in the kitchen. I have no lights here, that's why it's a little bit dark. That's okay though, because you know why? I'm still cooking. And you know why? Because cooking becomes part of my everyday life. Because it's nice to eat out in restaurants. It's nice to order in food. It's nice to go out and get some like convenience food you can just heat up. Hey, that's good. You can't cook every day because it's a lot of work. But make cooking part of your everyday life. Make this channel a part of your everyday life. That's why the recipes on this channel are nice and easy and healthy. Could be everyday meals. Subscribe to this channel. Get 2 recipes every week. And cook them. They're delicious, easy, wonderful. Today, we're making an eggplant dip. Very unique, very exotic, very delicious. Let's get cooking. Okay, the first thing I have to do is work with this eggplant. And what I want to do, first thing is to, what I want to do, the first thing is poke some holes in it, because I'm going to cook the outside of it very high temperature. If I don't poke some holes in it, the outside could seal, the inside has moisture which can start to boil, and it could explode. So, just a few holes. You always wonder what the tip of the knife is for? That's what it's for. Poke a few holes in here. Okay. Next thing I want to do is I want to roast the outside of this. High temperature, very high temperature. So, what I want to do is rub with a little bit of oil. There you go. I put it on a little sheet pan, like that. And I cut a sheet pan with aluminum foil, because this sheet pan will get some of the juice from the eggplant, will drip on it, and it will burn on the sheet pan. This way, if any juice from the eggplant drips on the aluminum foil and doesn't burn the sheet pan. Easy cleanup is wonderful. Hey, I have my oven on broil. It's really hot. That's as hot as I can get it. I'm going to put the eggplant on the top shelf, and every few minutes I'm going to turn it. So this whole skin is going to get nice and black and charred, and that smoke flavor is going to get right into the eggplant. That's terrific. Going to heat this on medium heat to start with. I'm going to start with a tablespoon of olive oil. Take out the good stuff for this. I want that flavor in there. I'm going to sprinkle on top of that 4 cloves of chopped garlic. Hey, don't forget to check your eggplant once in a while. You may need to give it a turn here and there. Okay? Not yet though. You see that garlic is nice and sizzling. Also smells delicious. Now I have here 2 nice large tomatoes. I squeezed most of the seeds out and the juice out and chopped them up. Hey, so far we got tomatoes and garlic in here. Sounds Italian, right? This is where we make it more Moroccan. I'm going to use those spices, those nice warm Moroccan spices. All right, in here I have 1½ teaspoon of cumin, 1½ teaspoon paprika, 1 teaspoon of Aleppo pepper, 1 bay leaf, and 1 teaspoon of sugar. This is Aleppo pepper. Good stuff. It's kind of like a mixture of red pepper flakes, but not as hot. About half as hot. A mixture of red pepper flakes and sun-dried tomato. It's got that sun-dried tomato character with a little heat like red pepper flake. Very good stuff. I'm going to add that right into the tomatoes. Ooh, I wish you could smell this. Wow, that smells terrific. Very Moroccan, very beautiful. And this pan cooks it so nice and gently. Hey, you can use a regular fry pan or any kind of pan with a lid. I also have a Dutch oven you can use can use that too. Okay, I have to add some liquid to this. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a half a cup of water. I'm going to put in 1 teaspoon of tomato paste. Good stuff. It's like a very tomatoey flavored water. I put that in. And 1 tablespoon lemon juice. That's freshly squeezed. A teaspoon of salt. And a half a teaspoon of black pepper, freshly ground. I'm going to let this simmer very slowly for about 20 minutes. Okay, let's check out this eggplant. Woo! That's starting to get a little crispy. I keep turning it to all sides and nice and crisp, and like a little char, that char flavor has to get into the eggplant. That's wonderful. Okay, the eggplant's good. It's like crunchy on all sides. Very nice. And you can smell that like little char aroma. That's what you need. I'm going to take this out and let it cool down. I can't handle this like this. It's too hot. Gotta let it cool down a little bit. Have some patience. Okay, so we have our eggplant. You can see it got shriveled up a little bit. That's because the skin has been cooked, but the meat inside is not all the way cooked. I'm going to cut the ends off, and just to make it easier, I'm going to cut it, but not all the way in half. So just open it up like that, and peel that skin back, and the skin should peel off pretty nice and easily. And there you have the eggplant. And the skin, can't use it. We're going to get rid of that skin. And we're just going to give this eggplant just a rough chop. Cut it one way, turn it. There you can see it's still pretty hot. Okay. Ooh, look at that. That's good. Smells delicious. Now we're going to add our eggplant. Give that a nice mix. Okay, I'm going to cook this now for about a half hour. Then I have to check it. Just make sure the eggplant's really cooked down. Smells terrific. Ooh, that's Moroccan, baby. Okay, so it's been a half an hour. And check this out. Ooh, that looks good. Smells delicious. I'm just going to take this potato masher and run it through one time. I found that bay leaf. Gotta take that out. So it's still chunky, but it's just not big, huge pieces of eggplant. That looks good. Last thing I'm going to do is finish this off with a 1/4 cup of fresh cilantro. Okay, I gotta let this cool down a bit. See how hot that is? Then I'm gonna season it with some salt and pepper, and I'm gonna taste it, make sure it's perfect. Then we're gonna have some pita bread with it. That's fantastic. Ooh, that smells good. Okay, this dip is some really good stuff. Check that out. It's got a little bit of smokiness. It's got a little bit of spiciness. Wonderful. Have with some pita bread. Have with some chips. Have with some fresh vegetables dipped in like crudité. Fantastic. Wonderful stuff. Very healthy. Eggplant. Hey, if you love eggplant, check out my eggplant parmesan casserole. That's fantastic. And I'll see you at that video.